May I please, my lords?
Plus formal.
Lordships, at the outset, I would like to show his bona fides.
What bona fide?
Lordships have-
Can I start, my lord, before my last?
I may. So, Lordships have not been pleased to issue notice in this matter because there were this honourable court had found so many facts which were not stated.
Oh, my learned friend is very wrong, my lords. This is not correct.
If at the outset I may show the listing forma for a moment.
Just a minute. This is not correct because I don't.
If I may,
object to
Lordships,
statement.
that liberty had been granted to me by the first order of this honourable
My learned
court,
friend
Lordships.
contended that there were.
Counsel to argue. See this.
My learned friend contended there were writ petitions which were pending.
And those have now got dismissed, Lordships. Lordships, if I may just have the listing pro forma page.
It's an impossibility to argue, my lords.
Page A2. Lordships, just their bona fide because the way they proceed and make allegations. Lordships may have.
Please, this we will not appreciate this.
Lordships. Lordships.
There's no hurry. There's no hurry. We are not going to pass a final order now.
No, Lordships.
If we feel that we should be entertained, we'll entertain. Then we will give you an opportunity to respond.
Lordships.
And you are appearing for the state.
Lordships.
When you are appearing for the state, you are for the entire public at large. There is no need for you to get animated like that.
Lordships.
It was the first order when it came up, my lords, on 2/12.
Yes.
It was a submission, my lords, that there were writ petitions pending. This is not a writ petition. This arises from a under 136, my lords, seeking challenge. The petitioner, my lords, before your lordships, is a journalist.
Yes.
She published a story.
Yes.
The newspaper stands by the story. Defamation with 420 because defamation is non-cognizable. Please see the complaint. And the person alleges that he's been cheated. That the person who's been defamed allegedly has been cheated.
It requires consideration.
I'm obliged, my lord.
We issue notice. Yes.
Obliged.
Lordships.
Interim order, my lord, spoken.
Lordships.
Okay.
Just
File your response. There are two submissions. You have to meet it. Senior counsel said you heard him. He's saying how 420 is made out in this case. Number one.
Lordship.
Number two, defamation is concerned. It's only a private complaint. You can't make it as a cognizable offence.
Lordship.
You
If
give
I may add that,
Number three, on a process of the impeachment judgment, we are not able to appreciate the way in which it has been dealt with.
Lordships.
So
If
court
I-
can say meet the conditions raised.
Lordships.
You can't say that it's not maintainable. We are close.
No, Lordships. If I may only at
Please,
the outset,
file your-
only one submission.
There is,
Last date also you had short time to
yes,
reply.
you file a reply. Yes.
We'll file a reply, Lordships.
Then you would have filed it
Lordships.
instead of arguing.
All
Great.
right.
My lord, the first order said in the meantime, no coercive said, lordship said, please to extend it. So I'm
Meanwhile, there's not required steps.
lordship.
Lordship.
Obliged. Sorry.
They have not been appearing before the trial court. Lordships.
It's already there.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That will continue.
Continue.
Great.